students, welcome to our channel Siddhana Institute of Education. Today in this video we will discuss previous year questions of child development and pedagogy. So our first question is, which of the following is not a characteristic feature of instinctually motivated children? इनमें से कौन सा वो फीचर है जो इंस्टिंक्चुअली मोटिवेटेड स्टूडेंट्स का फीचर नहीं है? First, they enjoy doing their work. Second, they display a high level of energy while working. Third, they like challenging tasks. Fourth, they always succeed. Now, fourth one is the right answer because this type of students or children take every task as a challenge and they don't bother about the success and failure. According to theories of motivation, a teacher can enhance learning by. According to theory of motivation, एक टीचर लर्निंग को कैसे enhance कर सकता है? Setting realistic expectation from students. Second, setting uniform standards of expectation. Third one is not having any expectations from students. Fourth one is setting extremely high expectation from students. So first one is the right answer, setting realistic expectations. जो बच्चे में कैपेबिलिटी हैं उसके अकॉर्डिंग ही बच्चे से हमने एक्सपेक्ट करना है. So this one is the right answer. Next one is, a student works hard to clear an entrance test for admission into a medical college. The student is said to be motivated. जो बच्चा वर्क हार्ड कर रहा है एडमिशन लेने के लिए मेडिकल कॉलेज में, तो वो मोटिवेटेड है इंडिविजुअली, एक्सपीरियंशियली, इंस्टिंक्चुअली और एक्सट्रिंक्चुअली. वो बच्चा अपने आप मोटिवेट हो रहा है, हार्ड वर्क कर रहा है. सो थर्ड वन इज आवर राइट आंसर, इंस्टिंक्चुअली. नेक्स्ट वन इज, फॉर एन इंस्टिंक्चुअली मोटिवेटेड स्टूडेंट द लेवल ऑफ मोटिवेशन इज लोअर than an extrinsically motivated student. Second, there is no need of formal education. Third, reward are not at all required. Fourth one is, external rewards are not enough to keep him or her motivated. So the right answer is third. जो बच्चा अंदरूनी तौर पे मोटिवेटेड होता है कुछ काम करने के लिए, सो उसके लिए रिवॉर्ड्स जो हैं वो रिक्वायर्ड नहीं है. Next one is, achievement motivation is willingness to accept success and failure equally. Second, tendency to act impulsively. Third, the tendency to persist at challenging tasks. Fourth, the tendency to avoid failure. So, the right answer of this question is the third one, the tendency to persist at challenging टास्क. जो अचीवमेंट मोटिवेशन है उसमें बच्चा एक आधी अचीवमेंट से सेटिस्फाइड नहीं होता, वो उस चीज़ को परसिस्ट करके कंटिन्यू करके. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, इवन दो दिस वाज क्लियरली इन वायलेशन ऑफ हिज सेफ्टी नीड्स, कैप्टन विक्रम बत्रा डेड फाइटिंग इन द कारगिल वॉर while protecting his country. He might have. First one is South novel experience. Second, achieve self-actualization. Third, ignored his belongingness needs. Fourth, wanted to earn a good name to his family. So the answer of this question is achieved self-actualization. As we have discussed in Maslow human need hierarchy, at the level of self-actualization, the person gave his best. So the answer is achieved self-actualization. Next question is, the government of India has started midday meal scheme for the elementary schools. Which of the following theories of motivation support this scheme? इनमें से कौन सी जो मोटिवेशन थ्योरी है जिसने इसको स्कीम को जो सपोर्ट किया है? So the answer of this question is humanistic theory. Next one is, Rajesh is struggling to solve a problem of mathematics completely. The inner force compelling him to search for a way to solve it completely is known as. जो रमेश है वो मैथमेटिक्स की प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व कर रहा है, तो इनर फोर्स जो है उसको सॉल्व करने के लिए उसको क्या बोला जाएगा? मोटिव, पर्सनैलिटी ट्रेंड, इमोशन और परसेप्शन. सो द राइट आंसर इज मोटिव, बिकॉज वो उसको सॉल्व करना चाहता है, उसको नीड है, उसका मेन जो ये ऑब्जेक्टिव ही है। नेक्स्ट वन इज विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज प्रॉपरली सीक्वेंस्ड इन द कॉन्टेक्स्ट ऑफ मोटिवेशन साइकिल। इनमें से हमने इन जो वर्ड्स दिए हुए हैं उनको हमने प्रॉपर सीक्वेंस जो देना है, इनमें से कौन सा सीक्वेंस करेक्ट है। फर्स्ट वन इज अराउजल, ड्राइव, नीड, अचीवमेंट, goal directed behavior, reduction of arousal. Second one is drive, need, arousal, goal directed behavior, achievement, reduction of arousal. Third one is need, goal directed behavior, drive, arousal, achievement, reduction of arousal. Fourth one is need, drive, arousal, goal directed behavior, achievement, reduction of arousal. Fourth one is the right answer because जो मोटिवेशन है या अकॉर्डिंग टू द मोटिवेशनल थ्योरी हमारा फर्स्ट स्टेप जो होता है वो नीड होता है, उसके बाद ड्राइव आता है, उसके बाद अराउजल, फिर गोल डायरेक्टेड बिहेवियर, देन अचीवमेंट एंड लास्ट वन इज रिडक्शन ऑफ अराउजल. Our next question is a teacher wants to ensure that her students are motivated instinctually. She would टीचर ने इंश्योर करना है कि बच्चा अंदरूनी तौर पे मोटिवेटेड हो गया है तो क्या करेगी. स्पेसिफाई यूनिफॉर्म स्टैंडर्ड्स ऑफ अचीवमेंट फॉर ऑल चिल्ड्रन. रॉन्ग आंसर. प्लान लर्निंग एक्टिविटीज विच इनकरेज convergent thinking. That is also wrong answer. Focus on the process of learning of individual children. वो बच्चे की individually उसके process of learning पे focus करेगी rather than on the final outcome. This is our right answer. And offer tangible rewards. That is also wrong answer. To encourage children to put in efforts in their studies, teachers need to. बच्चों को जो है वो स्टडीज़ में उनका इनकरेज करने के लिए टीचर क्या करेगी. कंट्रोल the child, compare the child with others, motivate the child, scold the child. And the answer is third one, motivate the child. Our next question is which of the following factors affect learning. First, motivation for the learner. Second, maturation of the learner. Third, teaching strategies. Fourth, physical and emotional health of the learner. So the right answer is which of the following factors affect learning. So the right answer is second one, all are the factors which affect learning. Thank you so much.